Good luck to Team Cymru down in the Gold Coast. We'll all be rooting for you back in Wales. Come on, Team Cymru, we'll scream out loud. There's 3 million screaming Welshmen, and women do us proud. There's no need to be nervous, but you can't run and hide. There's only 1.5 billion people watching you worldwide. Believe, inspire, respect are the values you will bring. O credi, ysbryd ôl I parchu'r Welsh is your thing. With 71 other nations competing side by side, I'm sure you can teach them all to say, Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg. All of Wales will be so proud, silver, bronze or gold. Memories and stories for grandchildren to be told. Hard work, dedication means it's hard for you to fail. We are proud and we are red, and we are Wales. We are Wales. We are Wales. We are Wales. Come on, wrestling, boxing, rugby, swimming, squash and bowls, triathlon, shooting, netball and hockey, let's get goals. Weightlifting, gymnastics, cycling, there's no drama. That's all the sports mentioned. Oh no, table tennis. Come on, Anna! All of Wales will be so proud, silver, bronze or gold. Memories and stories, grandchildren to be told. Hard work, dedication means it's hard for you to fail. We are proud and we are red, and we are Wales. We are Wales. We are Wales. We are Wales. When the ceremony's over, look at the medal on your chest. Let's hope it's gold. If it's not, you can say you done your best. 15 sports, just one team. Unity never fails. Close your eyes, think we are one, and say, we are Wales.